to page 40 in your textbook, you will see a weather quiz. Today we will explore some interesting facts about weather. Alright? Now, before you do the quiz, we will walk through some the questions and the answer first. Okay, let's start with questions 4. You only get foggy weather when? Everyone, you know foggy weather is? No. So it's a new word for you. Now please look at this picture. What do you see? Tree. Okay, tree.
Two people.
People, yes.
Road.
Yes, and a very thick cloud. Do you see anything in here?
No.
Yeah, it's hard to see through. I have another picture. What's this?
A
A road. Good. And do you see anything ahead?
No.
So, this thick cloud, we call it fog. Everyone, fog. Fog. Yes, good. I have an example. Can anyone help me read the word and the example? You please.
Fog. The road ahead is covered in a thick fog.
Very good, thank you. So you can use be covered in fog to use this word in a sentence. And you can also add an adjective in front of fog. Okay. Now to describe this picture with an adjective, we will use foggy. Now everyone, foggy. Foggy, louder.
Foggy.
Good. Now can anyone help me read the word and the example? Now you please.
Foggy. The weather is very foggy this morning, so I can't see much ahead of me while driving.
Yes. So, do you think foggy driving in the foggy weather is dangerous?
Yes.
Yes.
I can see.
No. Yes, you can see anything ahead of you. Now, next, I have a sentence like this. Now, do we say the road ahead is covered in thick fog or a thick fog?
Thick fog.
A thick fog.
Now, you a thick fog.
Yes.
Thick fog. Good answer. We use thick fog. Only thick fog. Okay? No O in the front because this is uncountable now. Alright? Remember. Now let's continue. Option A, the air is cold. B, it is rainy. Everyone, when I say today is a rainy day, so it means today has a lot of
Rain.
rain, right? Everyone, rainy.
Rainy.
Now, option C, we are near the ocean. Now let's move to number 5. You only get hell when. Everyone, do you know hell? No. Okay. Now imagine there was a very heavy rain yesterday, and the next morning you go to the yard and you see this. What do you see? Ice, yes, ice balls. So we call this hell. This is hell. All right. Now everyone, hell. Again, hell. Good. I have an example. Who can help me read the word and an example? You please.
Hell. We are collecting hell from the heavy rain yesterday.
Yes, very good. Everyone, so remember, we only say hell. This is also an uncountable noun. We don't say house. All right, just hell. And one more. This word is also a verb, and the pronunciation is the same. So when it is hell, the ice ball like this fall from sky like a rain. Okay. Now let's move on with the quiz. So everyone, option A, it is windy. So when the weather is windy, it means there's a lot of wind, right? Everyone, windy. How about this one? There are storm clouds. Now let's take a look at the picture. Everyone, these are clouds. What color are they? White. How about this one?
Blue.
It's black, and they also have thunder and lightning. So we call it storm clouds. Everyone, storm clouds.
Storm clouds.
Storm clouds.
Storm clouds.
Good. Now, can anyone help me read the word and the example? You please, please.
Dark storm clouds gathered in the sky, signaling that a heavy rain was about to come.
Yeah, very good. Now, for storm clouds or clouds, we usually use it in the plural forms, and you can use gather with the words, okay? Gather in the sky. Next. How about this one? There is no sunshine. I have a picture for you. Wow, what can you see? What do you feel when you see this picture? Huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I like it.
Comfortable.
Beautiful. I like it. Okay. Okay.
Is that a feeling?
I don't know, but I feel
Yeah,
really
I like
warm when I look at it. Now everyone, sunshine.
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 Again, louder please. Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Good. Now everyone, can you read this word and the example for me, please?
Sunshine. The warm spring sunshine made everything feel fresh and full of life after the long winter.
Thank you. Now, before the word sunshine, I also use warm. You can use soft or bright or yes, any other adjective to express your feelings about the sunshine. All right? Okay, number 7. What is the maximum time a snowflake takes to reach the ground? Do you know snowflake? A snowflake?
No.
No.
No. Now, it's in the paper as well. This is a snowflake. All right. I have the word and an example. Now let's read the word together. Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Again, louder. Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Now I have the word and example. Can anyone read them for me? Now, Truc, please.
Snowflake. The ground was covered in a soft blanket of snowflake.
Now, in the picture, you see there's a lot of snowflakes, right? So we can describe it as a blanket of snowflakes. All right? Okay, now we have 4 options here. A minute, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, and an hour. Now I want you to work in pair. You two, and you two. You discuss and guess the answer for the quiz. All right? You have 1 minute. Your time starts now. Everyone, time's up. Raise your hand if you finished. Very good. Everyone finishes. So now let's check together. Number 4. What did you choose?
A.
A. Are you sure?
Yes.
Who chose A? Raise your hand. All right, let's check. Yes, it's A. Number 5. You please. We have 3 answers here. Just guess.
B.
B. Storm clouds. Who chooses B? Who chooses B? Raise your hand.
B.
Yes, everyone chooses B. Let's check. Yes, correct. Yay! And number 7. Truc, please. You choose A, B, C, or D.
A.
A. Who chooses A? Who chooses A? No. Any other answers? You please.
I think D.
D. Let's check A or D.
Oh,
it's
Oh my
D.
God.
Wow.
No, it's okay. This
Amazing.
knowledge is hard and strange to you.
Oh, and the clever.
Now, next up. So we have finished all the 8 questions in the quiz. Now I want you to think about one question. In the quiz, which answers surprise you the most? Okay, me first. I think number 4 is the most surprising answer to me. I think foggy weather is because of a heavy rain in the day before. But it turns out that the air is cold. Yes, and I really but sometimes I wake up too late, and then when I go to work, the fog is all clear. All right. Now I want you to share your idea, your most surprised answer with your friends. All right. Okay, everyone ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Want to share?
Yes.
Okay. Who want to share first? You please.
So the answer about the snowflakes was
Snowflake.
the most surprising to me because I didn't know that snowflakes can take such a long time to reach the ground. I was thought that they fell down right away, very quickly like rain.
Yeah, thank you. That's a great idea. Now I want to hear one more idea. You please.
The most surprising answer for me is about hell. I didn't
Fine.
realize that hell comes from snow clouds. That's just really weather, and I thought hell just happened randomly when it's cold.
Thank you for your sharing. Yeah, I love all of your ideas, and now we will move to the next activity. Everyone look at exercise 2 in page 41. Do you see the table?
Yeah.
Yes. Now you have 2 things to do. First, complete the table with the highlighted words in the quiz. Everyone, you remember the highlighted words in the quiz? Yes. And the second thing is, what do we add to the noun to make them adjectives? It means that from this column, we add one element to write in this column, and after you finish, you tell me what is it. All right? Okay, now I will give you about 2 minutes to do this exercise. All right? Now your time starts now. Everyone, you finished?
Yeah.
Louder!
Yes!
Okay, very good. Now, let's check together.
What?
Alright, for the second row, we have the word fog. And what is adjective? Adjective.
Foggy.
Foggy, very good. You remember what is fog?
Like cloud in front of the face.
Yes, on the road and you cannot see anything
Anything.
ahead. Good. Fog. Exactly. One bonus for you.
Yay!
Now, next up, we don't have to fill in any word, but we have 3 new. Yeah, this is the last word in the column. What do you see? This is hands, fingers, and
Toes.
your thing is, what do you think?
It hurts.
It's hurt, right?
It's red.
It's red, right?
It's red.
They are red. They are red. Yes. So, this is a medical condition. In some cold countries like Russia, your hand and your toes can be like this if the temperature is very low. All right, and we call this frostbite. Frostbite. Everyone.
Frostbite.
Now again, listen carefully. Frostbite.
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 Good. Now next one. What do you see? Fog. Okay, you remember fog. Very good. But this is a different word. We are learning a different word. Picture here. The air is also is covered with a white cloud. Can you see what here? In here?
Kinda.
Kinda. Alright. So we call this mist. Mist. And about the difference between mist and fog, I will explain it later. Alright? Now everyone, mist.
Mist.
Again, mist.
Mist.
Alright? Can anyone help me? Read. You read.
The road ahead is covered in dense mist.
Yes, like fog, you can use covered in mist. Alright? Do we say is covered in a mist?
No.
No, yeah, just mist. And here's the adjective, misty. Everyone's
Misty.
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 Again,
Misty.
louder. Misty.
Misty.
Good. So this is the examples to describe this picture. Can anyone help me read this? You please.
Misty. It's for misty morning and the driver had to slow down to avoid any accidents.
Yes. So so the misty weather is also dangerous when we driving. All right. Now to answer your friend's question, I have two pictures here. Also on the roll. All right. So I will call this picture A and picture B. In which picture do you see that the cloud is thinner?
B.
B, right? And this is thicker. Can you see it clearly? Yes. You
yeah.
can see a little bit, just a little bit of thing here, but here you can see nothing. So for this picture, we use the adjective foggy, and for this picture, we use the adjective misty. So remember, mist is thinner than fog.
Yes.
Okay, remember, this is how we distinguish these two concepts. All right. All right, everyone. This is the table when we finish all the work. All right. Now, do you remember the question I asked you at the beginning? Maybe no. So here. What do we add to the nouns to make them adjectives?
E.
Here.
E.
Letter E.
Letter.
E.
No,
it's
it's
Y.
not Y. Yeah,
The
it's
sound
Y.
E. The sound E.
I know.
Very
The
good.
sound is E.
Very good. E.
Yeah.
And I want to ask one more question. Are there any other spelling changes?
No.
Yeah.
What?
The sun. Yeah, sun and fog.
Hmm.
I have one more N and one more Q.
Yes. Very good. Nice. One bonus for you.
Yay!
Now we have two special words, fog and sun, because we have to double the final consonant to have the adjective there. So there is some exceptions, and please remember these two. Okay.